and then we do the turn. Do you see? You bend. You bend. You cannot bend at all. Your leg have to be like stick. Stay there, unbendable, and then you go. So that is the only way like you do. Okay, listen. These things, if you did good enough, and then you will look like a ballerina on a music box. Ding da dee da dee da dee da dee da dee da dee da. I need that smooth, like ballerina on a music box. That feeling, that is why this came from. And later on, we have to do artistry promenade as well. And then we have a lot of Arabic promenade. So many promenades in the ballet. This is a simple one, easy one. Okay? So 3 things for this technique. Glue on it, shoot down, make it back strong, and support leg cannot bend. If you do 3 things perfectly, your 80% will be succeed. Okay? Other things I will tell you later. Just that 3.